Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you a makeup challenge which is just one swipe makeup challenge. In this challenge I have to take my product on sponge or on a brush just once and I have to apply this product. Let's see how it goes. Till then, please do subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So my clean canvas is ready. So I'll start by applying moisturizer. You can apply any moisturizer you like. So I'll be applying this moisturizer. So taking a generous amount, and it's a one swipe, so I'm going to take a generous amount and then with my fingers I'll apply on your neck and on your hands. And now I'll apply a primer. This is my primer by NYX. So I'll take this much of amount and again I'll apply. So my main focus will be on the T-zone and then I'll just drag the rest of the product. So now just dragging the rest of the product. Now I'm going to start with my foundation, but it's a one swipe, so I'll put some of my foundation, blush, contouring all together and I'll just show you. I'll be taking this foundation by Fit Me. So I'm taking a good amount. I apply. With the help of the brush, I'll take my contouring and swipe. It's difficult. Taking my sponge, I'll just blend everything. So first I'm blending all the lighter part. Taking my concealer, so applying to the corners. So I'm not blend contouring till now, so I'll blend next. After concealer, it's looking little better. So now taking my brush, I'll start contouring. Now everything is blended out. It's time for face powder. So I'm taking my face powder by Beauty. This is my brow. I'm not taking little bit because I have to cover my whole face with one swipe. I'll take little and just dab. Instead of dabbing too much, I'll just circle my brush on a flat surface so that it has a good amount of product in it. It will not make my face cakey. Dabbing a little bit. I'm covering my neck also which is very important. So everything is set. Now it's time for eyeshadow. Taking my palette. So I'll start with this color called Teddy. So as I have one swipe, so I'm taking a good amount of my product. So I'll swipe it with the same brush, but I'll not take extra product after it. It's very hard to blend such a little amount of product. I'll be taking this color called Crave. I'll apply on the top of my eyelid. So for the inner corners of my eyes, I'll take highlighter palette and I'll take this color, top one. Just swipe, ping a good amount. I'll apply a little bit under my bone area. So it's a blush time. Taking this very cute blush. So this color, this is a peach color. So I'll just dab my brush. So next I'll be applying Kajal by L'Oreal. Oh. This is a tough one because I can't go with one swipe. So I have to take out an idea. So I'll be loading my brush with the kajal. But I have no choice. Technically I'm not cheating. I've just taken the product on my brush and applying with that brush. Next comes my eyeliner. So I'll be applying eyeliner with one swipe. I have to apply, so I'll take a good amount and I hope it's looking fine. So next I'll move to mascara. This is by L'Oreal Paradise. As I have to take one swipe, but this swipe is enough, so I'm just taking a little bit product off. Next I'm moving to eyebrow. So I'm taking my palette by Nike. By this brush I'll take these two colors. With the help of spoolie, I will just comb everything out, and this will make my colors all settled. Highlighter time and my brush. It's an angular brush. So I'm taking the same color. Same this one, and I'll apply here on top of my cheekbones, nose, my chin. The last part is lipstick. I don't know lip liner is valid or not in this type of a challenge, but I'll just skip that part and start with my lipstick. So here's my brush. I'm taking this flat brush and I'm taking my lipstick by Lakme. I'll just take my lipstick and whatever is in my wand, I'll just apply that. So I'm done with my challenge, and it was not that tough, and it was comparatively taking me less time to apply makeup. So it was little bit easy, but at times there was more product in my wands or there was more product on my brushes, but which was very difficult to just manage it. But somehow it has turned out to be good and I'm happy with the results. I hope you guys liked it. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like this challenge. Do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Do follow me on Insta. Till then, love you guys. Bye.